Hello, everyone! Today, I'm excited to share the best mirrorless cameras of 2024 based on their specifications. You can find all the product links in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. Number 5. Nikon Z8. Let's kick things off with the Nikon Z8, a highly anticipated mirrorless camera that promises to revolutionize the photography world. With its stunning 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, the Z8 delivers incredibly detailed and vibrant images. This camera excels in low light, thanks to its back-illuminated sensor that minimizes noise and maximizes dynamic range. The advanced XSpeed 7 image processor ensures lightning-fast performance and responsive shooting, with a continuous shooting speed of 14 frames per second. The hybrid autofocus system combines phase detection and contrast detection, offering quick and precise focusing, even in challenging conditions. The wide ISO range of 64 to 25x600, expandable to 32 to 102 and 400, makes it versatile for any lighting situation. Number 4. Sony Alpha 7 RV. Next, we have the Sony Alpha 7 RV, a cutting-edge digital camera designed for high-resolution imaging. It features a remarkable 61-megapixel full-frame XMOR-R CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with stunning clarity and precision. The Bionz XR image processor offers rapid processing speeds, allowing for 10 frames per second shooting, even with large raw files. The 567-point phase detection autofocus system ensures accurate and responsive focusing, while real-time IAF and real-time tracking further enhance subject detection and tracking. With an ISO range of 100 to 32,000, expandable up to 100 to 400, and 5-axis in-body image stabilization, the Alpha 7 RV excels in various lighting conditions. Its high-resolution tiltable touchscreen LCD and XGA OLED electronic viewfinder provide precise composition and easy navigation. Number 3. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Introducing the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, a camera that redefines professional photography and videography. Equipped with a 24.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and the powerful DJI X image processor, this camera captures crystal-clear images with remarkable detail. It boasts a continuous shooting speed of up to 20 frames per second, making it perfect for capturing fast-paced action. The expanded ISO range of 100 to 102,400, expandable to 24800, ensures excellent low-light performance. The EOS R6 Mark II also offers exceptional 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, delivering smooth and cinematic footage with enhanced image stabilization. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix S5 II. The Panasonic Lumix S5 II is an excellent choice for advanced photography and videography. With a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, it captures every detail with impressive clarity. The high-sensitivity range and extended ISO of up to 51-200 make it ideal for low-light conditions. The ergonomic design is lightweight and durable, with intuitive controls for quick access to essential functions. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder and fully articulating touchscreen provide easy framing and playback. The Lumix S5 II also excels in video capabilities, offering 4K UHD recording at 60 frames per second and advanced autofocus for precise subject tracking. Number 1. Canon EOS R8. Topping our list is the Canon EOS R8, a professional-grade camera that offers exceptional performance and image quality. It features a high-resolution full-frame sensor that captures every nuance with stunning clarity. The latest DJI image processor provides excellent noise reduction, making it perfect for low-light photography. With a high-speed continuous shooting capability, the EOS R8 ensures you never miss a moment. Its advanced autofocus system offers numerous points across the frame for accurate and fast focusing, and eye detection AF ensures sharp portraits. For videographers, the EOS R8 supports high-resolution video recording with cinematic quality and dynamic range.